This morning I was thinking, how do I put together all these different ideas? The idea that this is one life and never again. The idea of reincarnation, the idea of God in our lives, of past life, of astrology. How do you put all that together? And I think it all does fit together. I think that the truth is that this is a one unique lifetime, never to be repeated, as Paula. But in actuality, Paula is a link in the infinity, in the infinite of what has been, what is, and what will be through the eons and through the evolutionary process. And consciousness I see as the ability of us to awaken at some point to a recognition that we are really a link, that we're really one but a succession of, and the ability to see ourselves in a way where we understand that all that, what I've just said, that we are part of a sequence. And then to be able to live our moment-to-moment life with that recognition made available to us through our own brain functioning ability, and to continue to figure it out, because who really knows? But I think that what it reminds me of is that in my life, as I've done in the past, like when I studied with Kriyananda, I need to align myself with people that are of a loving love, that are of brotherhood, that are of service, and that are of similar thinking, which has been difficult for me in the last 30 years living here in Evanston, Illinois. Yeah. But so it is. Okay.